Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Curly and Ray. In today's video I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair from curly to blow dried. This is in preparation for box braids that I'll be getting later on today. So I'm out of breath. So I just wanted to make a video on that because I haven't made a video in a while. I am really sorry. Haven't been on my channel in over a year. So sorry. So quickly, I'm just going to show you the products that I use in the video so I don't have to talk while I'm blow drying my hair because I do have to go get my hair braided. So the preparation is also important. So before I washed my hair last night and deep conditioned it. Well, washed my hair, conditioned it, and deep conditioned it. Am I straight? So when I get in the shower, I condition my hair first. Because if you just put shampoo first, it's just going to be way too tangled. So I condition my hair first with... Come on. Yes, boom. It'll be in the description. Come on. Every product that I'm mentioning will be in the description box also. So I first condition my hair with Shea Moisture, Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. I just condition it, comb it out, put it in twists, and then shampoo it. Wash it out and then condition it again. Wait, did I condition it again? No, I didn't. Did I? I didn't. I deep conditioned it. Oh my god, I don't even remember. Did I condition it again? No, I didn't. That will make no sense. Yes, so I conditioned it first. Then I shampooed it with... Ooh, so I gotta go where the little square is. New hack. Jamaican black castor oil strength and restores shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I was told I'm not supposed to use apple cider vinegar with the color of my hair, but I figured if it's already in a product and not using it like this, I don't use it like this anymore because I was told I'm not supposed to with my color, but it's in here and I still use it, and I don't know. Just a heads up if you have color too. So then I shampooed with this in sections. Then I washed it out. Then I oh my god, it's finished. I deep conditioned with this. Boom! I deep conditioned with this Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. I deep conditioned with that for like 2 hours. And my hair was so soft after I washed it out. And then in the video, I just washed it out and I went to bed with the little 4 plaits, 1, 2, 3, 4. I went to bed with like that, and I just let it dry. I hate going to bed with wet hair, but I didn't have a choice. I just kind of like wringed it out, whatever. Y'all not stupid. Whatever, don't say anything. And then to actually blow dry, the only product that I have in my hair right now is Manuka honey and yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In by Shea Moisture again. Come on. Boom! Get it? Yeah, it'll be in the it'll be in the description box. So yes, I've sprayed this all over my hair, blow dried each section. My hair feels so moisturized. It feels so moisturized and really, really soft. I trim. So I'm finished blow drying my hair. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm finished blow drying my hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I'm sorry that I haven't made a video in a really long time. Blow dry that I used, Diva Curl. My last video I did was about Diva Curl, and so me, I'm like, I bought this like right after I got my hair done. So I've had this for like a year, and I'm thinking Diva Curl, you know, they got the curly hair products. Let me buy a blow dryer with diffuser attachment, and ooh, let me just, you know, do my little wash and goes and do my little upside down. Trash! It's not trash, is it? Maybe I'm just not doing it right. I just don't. $150 for this and this. I mean, it should be dummy proof, you know? And I usually use high heat because I don't have time to be using cold heat and drying my hair. Who does that? I mean, people do that, sorry. But I don't have time, so I just use hot heat. And that's probably why, usually when I do my wash and goes with this, you can totally leave the video now. It's over. Usually when I do my wash and goes with this, usually when I do, what was I saying? Usually when I do my wash and goes, it just didn't come out how I wanted it. Like, I want volume, I want, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I wanted to cut my hair and get like a nice shape, but, or maybe I'm using it wrong, but it just didn't do anything for me. Diva Curl just really, I'm a Shea Moisture girl, clearly. So, is this shade? Yes. But did I use this blow dry in this video? Yes. I guess the blow dry is good. But for diffusing, you think like, oh, I got a little hand, like, oh, it's about to be nice, I'm about to curl it. No. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you've used this before and you've been successful, comment down below. Tell me how I should be using it, because I just use it on high heat and I was just like, maybe I should use it on cold air, because cold air, they always say works better and take your time and stuff like that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be posting more videos, I promise. Yes, oh, did I already show you, like, if you don't like the way what you got, I'm recording. Hey, Mom.